Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are today. So today I am here in the road. I want to show you. I have another experiment. I am not a scientist. I am not a agriculturist or biologist, but I want to experiment in my own about the castrol bean or castrol oil plant. So here I am here in the road because they are growing in the road as of now in our in my village. So this is the plant that I am talking about. Now I want to make experiment about this bin that if we can light it, if it's make light at night. So we will see. This is all the way here. So this is the bin. We need to pick it here. Another side here. So here we need to pick the bin, and then we put it to the sun, dry it like this one, and then I can make my experiment. This is my own experiment about this castrol oil plant. So let's do this. We need to dry it in the sun until make it brown. So we will wait if this been brown so that we can remove the seed inside. Now the two fruit is already dry, so we need to remove the bean inside. This one, we need to remove the bagal. We need to remove the cover. As I said, I am not an expert, but I want to discover it on my own. I am doing experiment in my own here in the island. So this is my life in the island, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are not yet subscribing. Villa Chulam Camotes Cebu. Then you need to like. If you want to support me, you need to like, share my video. So this is the seed now. This is the seed of the castrol plant. And now we need to put in the small so like this. Small, because the seed is tiny, we need to use the small I forgot the English. the the experimenter is forget the English. The small piece of wire or metal, so that we can light this one. So as I said, I'm not an expert. I am only experimenting it in my own. If we can light this castrol seed, castrol bean. So from the words that the castrol oil, it means oil. We can light it, but I want to show you that if we can light it. So the purpose is if we can make a light of this bin. This is the Hershey of the old people, but I want to experiment it in my own and see it in my own eyes. It's time to light and make fire and show to the world if this experiment is working. Oh, it's windy. Try again. Another try. And I will try as well at night if it's oh, wow. So imagine, so we can the Hershey is true. I make it, so I will show you at night as well if we can wow, good at night. So now you know that castor plant oil, the seed can be light, can use it at night as a torch. Oh, imagine. Wow, I use only 3 bin. Wow, I am happy that my experiment is working. So once again, this is Alma, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Velia Julam, Camotes Cebu. Like, share, hit the notification below, and bye-bye! I am happy of my experiment that I made it. I showed to the world that we can make our own experiment if we are curious about the things, but make sure that uh, it's in the good way, not in the bad way. So bye bye. So this is the experiment that I make. So you can see that we can make it a torque at night. So it's short because it's the seed is tiny.